Alright, today guys I'm going to show you how to take apart a MacBook 13-inch. This is a, can't remember what model this is, you should know. Or actually I can find out. Model number A1278. So for the sake of time I take the screws out. I have already taken them out. And I'm going to just take them out with a magnet. Just like that. Oh, there's one. Now it's stuck. A little bit. Alright. That's how you take that apart. Then I'm going to show you how to take off the hard drive, and then the RAM, and take out the battery, and then maybe the optical drive. So, RAMs first. Take it out. You simply pull these two things at the end. That's what keeps them in. It's kind of like the desktop RAM version where it has the two hooks, except it's a little bit less mechanical.